Hello everyone! Good morning! It's a beautiful morning. The sunshine coming out. And today, I'm checking the pool if it's looking good because a couple days we shut down because the water leaked by the motor. So someone came over and tried to fix it, the thing from the motor to tighten it up. I think they take it out and put it back in, so it's not leaking now. So I start adding water the other day, and then we clean it again, and then scrubbing inside and everything. So after that, I shock it for, I think I used like well, first I put 2 bags of shack, and then my daughter add more, so I think like 7 bags altogether we put on the pool to shack it. So it's been 2 days now running. So we're gonna go check it out if it's looking good, and maybe later on this afternoon we have to vacuum it again. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so I'm here outside. This is Amaya's Pop Tarts floating, whatever you call it. Okay, so look, it's getting better. Looks good now. Turning blue already. See that? Look guys. This is what I did. I've been cleaning. So I'm gonna do later on. Well, we wait 2 days after I shop it, so now we have to vacuum later this afternoon. Sorry, airplane is making noise. Daming airplane dito na madaanin. Anyway, yan, nakikita nyo sa gitna, you see in the middle, that's what we need to vacuum it. We have to take it out. Then so this is what I'm using right here, guys. This is the vacuum right here. Yan. And this one right here is, this is what we use. My daughter just ordered it 3 days ago. This is what we're using to brush the pool under. And so tapos ito, this is what we use. Yung net para tanggalin ang mga dahon o yung mga dumi sa loob. So ayan siya guys. Ano rin guys, matrabaho ang pool, at saka hindi lang matrabaho, okay lang yung ganyan, para it costs too much money also. That's why I told my daughter na, like, don't open the pool anymore. But I guess, like during summer it's too hot, so her and my granddaughter, they wanna go swimming. So papakita ko sa inyo guys yung motor ng pool. So ito siya guys, this is what I'm talking about. Yung hindi siya tight. Tuwing ibabakwash namin, ito turn off mo muna, tapos iikot mo ito pag yung vacuum, tapos ilalagay sa backwash. Kaya wash natin ito. Ayan, backwash. Ayan. So parang iikot mo papunta dito. Yan ang backwash. Tapos yan, pag nare-rinse, ayan, paglagay pala sa waste, yan. Tapos ito naman pag i-rinse mo, guys, honestly, nakuha ako ng hindi ko alam ito talaga, wala akong alam dito nakuha na lang ako kasi una yung anak kong lalaki ang nag-aasikaso, dahil wala siya dito. Yan, kami na ng anak kong babae ang magawa. turn off mo muna. Ayan. Tapos ito naman ang switch na sa baba pa yung para sa light. Ay, ito pala yung para sa light. Ayan. So, ayan siya guys. Yan. So, yan ang palagi. During summer, yan lagi ang ginagawa ko at saka yung yard. So, mamayang hapon, later on this afternoon, ibabacuum ko yung yung pool. Okay guys, I'm gonna get ready to vacuum our pool. Got my towel and wearing some bathing suit to go in the pool. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, so this is what I'm gonna use to vacuum. So I'm gonna drop it on the water. Okay guys, I'm already finished vacuuming the pool. Ayan, okay. There's no more dirt right there in the middle, and that's the shadow of the tree over there, so you can't really see it. So look, it's already clean and everything. So I'm just gonna wait tomorrow. I might have to swim now. Okay guys, ginutom kumain after I finish cleaning the pool. So I just finished, I ate my dinner. Well, that's my dinner already, and it's only, well, it's 6 o'clock already. So I start cleaning like 2:30 at the pool, so it takes a while. So anyway, I finished my dinner and I'm gonna eat my half of my mango. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this simple video. Uwas life. Buhay ko dito sa USA. Anyway, maraming salamat, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everyone, and have a wonderful day. God bless you all, and see you in my next video. Bye!